Welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Today I have a special guest who is going to host this episode, and she's going to show us how to make a very easy, quick and delicious meal. Let's welcome my special guest today.
Hi!
Oh, my cheeky guest! She's just jumping out from the floor. Say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Iris, and today I'll be showing you how to make Oyakodon.
Okay, so I'm going to hand over the rest of the time to Iris.
What is Oyakodon? Oyakodon is a Japanese rice dish with chicken and egg. Let's get started. But first, we need to look at our ingredients. First, we are going to add the bonito sauce. This is the bonito sauce I'm using today. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we are going to add the sliced onion. And I'm going to turn on the heat. When the onion is softened, we are going to add the chicken. Cover and let it simmer. When the chicken is half cooked, add in the cabbage. While we are waiting for the chicken, we will beat the egg. It is now ready, and I'm going to turn off the heat. Ta-da! My Oyako-don is done. This is a perfect meal because it has egg, veggies, and chicken in it. Let me try first. Very good. Now I'll get my boss to try.
Iris, this is perfect. Well done. Well guys, I hope you liked today's episode. And it... Hey, 你为什么偷吃？太好吃了是吗？
太好吃了。
Oh, okay. Well, if you like Iris cooking today, please give her a thumbs up.
And subscribe to this channel to get a notification, because I'll do some more cooking in the future. Bye!
Bye. See you next time.